Hello guys, welcome to this session. Uh, our topic is computer networks and communications. We are still discussing about the various accessories that are used for the computer network connections. In the past video, we discussed some of these. Generally, we said the computer network requires the following devices, such as the first one is network interface card, second one is hub, then there is switches, also cables and connectors, then router, and then there is also a modem. So far we've discussed the network interface card, NIC, hub, switches, and we've already discussed about the cables and the connectors. So today we finish up with the router and the modem. So let's start seeing the router. Router, this is just one of the computer network components that is used to connect a LAN, that is a local area network with an internet connection. So it's just one of the network computer components that is there just to enable the connection of a local area network with the internet connection available of a larger area. Now, when you have two distinct networks, which we are talking about the local area networks, or you just want to share a single internet connection to multiple computers or just devices, we use a router. So in most cases, the recent routers also include a switch, which in other words can be used also as a switch. So just see routers just see there as important component to facilitate the internet connection. Uh, if you want just a single internet connection to be accessed to multiple computers, so a router is there to enable or facilitate it. So router is there, and you don't need to buy just both the switch and router, particularly if you are installing a small business or home networks. So maybe when you're in need of a small business or just a home network, you can simply just buy a router, and it will be enough just to facilitate the internet connection of the various computers around the small business or just at home. Now there are two types of routers. There are wired routers and wireless routers. So wired are the ones that uses wiring connection, while the wireless they don't use the wires to enable connection. Now the choice depends on your physical office just or maybe a home setting and the speed which you want your router to have access to, and also the cost of whether you prefer the wired or the wireless in terms of how you can handle the cost of them. So that's all about routers. Moving on, let's see the modems. Modem is just the other network computer devices or components that enables you to connect your computer to the available internet connection over the existing telephone line. So it's like a NIC that is network interface card, whereby the modem, actually the long form of modem is just a modulator, demodulator. So like NIC, modem is not integrated with the computer motherboard, but it just comes a separate part which can be stored on the PCI slots found on the motherboard. A motherboard is there. So a modem is not necessary for the local area network LAN, but it's required for the internet connection such as the dial-up or the SL. Now there are various types of modems which differs in terms of speed and the transmission rate. So here are just some of them. You can see them and differ them in terms of their access speed and how they transmit the network. It means how they transmit and the rate of speeding the network. So the first one is the standard PC modem or just a dial-up modem that has a 56 KB data transmission speed. Then there is the solar modem that is used in a laptop that enables connectivity while on the go. The third one is cable modem, that is 500 times faster than the standard modem. And the last one is the DSL modems, which are the most popular. It means they are mostly used within various computers. So I hope it's clear, guys. Thank you for listening. We've discussed the last two accessories that are essential or needed for the computer network uh, installation. So I hope it's clear. Thank you for listening.